Hey guys, today we're gonna make unboxing video of the new Usha mixer grinder. So let me start with this. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it. Let me see what's inside the box. Okay, so let me put this aside. Okay, so it's a mixer grinder from Usha, and this is what we got in the box. So let me see what this mini box is. So if I open this one, there is another box. Okay, so let me keep this aside for a while and take a look at what's inside. So first thing what I notice is there is another box. Okay, oh, boxes. It's like a Russian doll. There's a box inside box. So I'll keep this also aside for a while and check this guy out. Okay, so this is the rotor and the motor. So let me take it out. Okay, so this is what we got. So looks good. The first impression is nice. They have got a base with the controller, and there's a socket for putting on the jar. Looks nice and easy. Okay, so I have unwrapped the polythene. So here we see this is the rotor for the motor. Looks good. The quality looks nice. And there's a LED lamp here which tells you if it is overload or not. Maybe it's an indicator. Then there's a power LED which tells you if that power is connected or not. Take a look at the power specification at a close look. Okay, what I see here is it looks to be a normal socket with 250 volt AC. So it's gonna fit into your regular power socket. So that's a plus point, I would say. And let me have a look at other boxes what we have put aside. Alright, so this is one of the box. You see what's inside. I'm expecting another jar here, so I have to cut it out. Okay, so let me take my cutter back and let's try opening it. Okay. Alright, so this is what I was expecting. It's a jar. So let me just open it and see what it is. And there is a plastic knife. Apart from the jar, there is a top. So okay, let me see how it is. So this is your grinder jar, which has a sharpened blade. So be careful with this. And there is a top for it. I believe it's gonna just fit in like this. And yeah, let's come back to it. And there's another jar here which is like this. So this is what you get. There's another jar. So let's take a look at the final attachment. What do we have? Another box. So have a look at that as well. Okay. Alright, thank you so much, Sunny. So I'll just put it out here, and this guy as well, and this guy as well. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, in this box, basically what we get is the top for the another jar, what we got earlier, and we got the top of the regular way, and there is a juicer jar as well, which is like can be used as a supplement juicer or as a jar. So this is good. And what we get is we get some extra blades, which is great. And again we have got one cleaning shaft. So I'm gonna show you like what is the utility of this shaft. Let me put it on the jar and then I will show you. Alright, so guys, So as I showed you, there is a cleaning lid, cleaning shaft in the inner core of this top. So if you want, if you can, as you can see, if something while mixing or grinding stuck on the walls of the jar, so you can clean it like this. So this looks a good feature. I think it will be really useful for a good sanitization. Alright, so I pretty much unboxed everything out of the box. It looks really cool. And as you can take a close look, so these are the jars. This is how I have mounted on top of the mixer. So you can see, so these are the 3 jars we get, plus one additional set of blades which you may use further, as you can see, in case if required. And we also get one plastic knife which can be used for cleaning or some other purpose. So that's it. I'm very happy with this. The packaging came really nice. And okay, so see you next time. If you like the video, do subscribe and let me know in your comments what you really want to see next me to unbox, and what do you like and dislike about this video. Thank you so much for being patient and watching us. Have a good day.